Wow, what a beautiful scene, huh? Hey there, how's it going? Good morning from Nassau, Bahamas. Today we are in Nassau. This is Grand Bahama Resort where we are staying. We had minus 30 degrees in Toronto. Now it's just opposite. It's in the plus side of the 20s. And today we are going to do a beach walk. We're going to take you along the beach walk. This is the pier of this resort. It's a magnificent resort. I don't need to describe too much about, but my purpose is to take you on a beach walk and show you around what it looks like. Let's take a look of the Grand Bahama Resort, and this is the pier, and there is a cruise ship. This is a typical scene of any Caribbean island. So what we're gonna do is we'll go along the this pier and we'll continue recording. So why don't we go? What do you think?
Yeah, let's keep walking.
Do you like it?
I'm loving it.
You're loving it? Good. People especially coming from North America, Canada, in the middle of January, it's totally different. Who would not love to come down here, right? You need to have some time to come here. So yeah, a lot of people come in on morning walk. I think this Baha Bay water park is nearly built. This side, yeah, I think it goes up to a point on this right side. That's resort's property, and the left side is a little bit extended. So why don't we walk on this pier? And then we'll decide if we are going to go left or right. What do you think, buddy?
Yeah, I think let's go. Would you want this side or that side?
Yeah, I recommend going to the left.
Okay.
Because this looks a little extended. Maybe we can try right as well, yeah. But first, for the sake of this video, can we give a quick look of the pier from here? Yeah, it's not bad, eh? Yeah. So this morning when we woke up, when I woke up, I went to the balcony to appreciate the view of the beach and the surrounding area, including parking lot and everything. Yeah, as the day progresses, a lot of people will be around, and yeah. Yeah, this is a little anti-light, but we'll manage to take some footage. Maybe on the way back it will be a little better.
Oh, the sun is shining.
Yeah. So,
Right.
since this is anti-light, why don't we take the footage on the way back?
That sounds good.
Yeah, let's try that way. All right, let's continue our beach walk towards the resort. That's the resort we're staying in, Bahamas Hyatt. Okay, so excuse my shadow. You can see the shadow because the sun is coming from the back, We try to avoid the anti-light. I think instead of me talking, let the audio of this wave coming in, right? That sounds so peaceful. So this is what a beautiful morning. I really appreciate coming out here and do the beach walk in the morning. People are already, they have already started their day. The seaweed is the problem. Every single resort, they have to put the resources to clean up the beach early in the morning. And I think Bahamas is doing really good job. Last time we were in Punta Cana, I realized, or I noticed the weed problem down there.
That was way too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad here.
Yeah, this is not too bad.
Yeah, and it's not a large type of weed.
Yeah. What is the plan for the day, buddy? Just relaxing, lying there.
At the beach, go to
Yeah.
the pool.
Yeah, that swimmer bar is something I'm looking forward to. Last night was good, eh? I didn't lose that much in casino.
Oh, that's a good word, you did.
Yeah. And the best part of the night last night was jazz bar for me. My wife danced along with other girls. That was good. What about the shirt thing? One girl approached and said, "Oh, I like your shirt."
Oh, so you're happy for that? Which is that?
It was my pick or your pick? I think it was Amisha's pick.
Oh.
Or Aiden's pick. Whoever. Yeah, I'm gonna try the food from these trucks today, food truck. It's just creating the ambience, right? As opposed to going inside and having indoor, they have the truck food available. But the part of the resort I would appreciate more if it was all inclusive. It's a deluxe resort, but it's not all inclusive. You have to pay separately for everything. And I think with that soothing sound of the waves, I think we can wrap up this video for today. Okay, thanks. Thanks for watching the video. I will do, if I can, to make videos like this, realistic videos, and upload them to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Keep coming to the channel, all right? Bye for now.